morning. How does my schedule look like today?
You have an appointment with Christian at 10 a.m. at NRF Gdańsk.
Ah, fun. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Open maps. Navigate to NRF Gdańsk.
You have reached your destination.
Open the NRF app. Hello. I have an appointment with Mr. Christian Poltrick. Ah, there he is.
Christian Poltrak.
How are you doing? I'm Chris.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hey, I would like to introduce you to our office here.
Okay, great.
Follow me, please. We have several departments. Let's start from the technical department first.
Technical department.
Hello there. Perfect. Here's our technical department.
Hi.
They are responsible for warranties and also check all our products before we are releasing. Come on, let's go. Hi. Hi. And here look.
Finance department.
Be quiet because they are super busy. Here we have a canteen, one of them, and also one of our conference rooms. We are going to the second one.
This is a huge location.
Let's start with the customer service department.
Customer service department.
Service to our customers. Hello, Loredana. How are you?
Loredana Tomalescu.
Perfect today.
Oh.
That's Loredana.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you. We are moving forward.
Supply chain department.
Oh, I'm curious.
We have a meeting here. Hello, guys. That's Tomasz.
Hey. Tomasz Szlagowski.
That clap.
I would like to ask you to explain to our colleagues what you are doing in the supply chain department.
What we are doing, basically we are importing our goods to be put on the sales. So from
okay.
China, from Asia basically, and India of course, to all our location warehouses as soon as possible to be put in sales.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you.
Category management department.
Department, right? Hey guys.
Satni Gegachadze.
He gets along well with everyone.
The colleagues are looking for the products which we would like to introduce in our offer, and also, how we can boost our revenue, right?
That's correct.
Perfect. On the right side, we have our legal departments. Hello, guys. And then we are coming through
They have many meetings here.
as a meeting room which we have with the colleagues which are talking about some strategy today. Next is our management room with one of our managers. Hey, come on, you need to mention about the marketing itself. They are really creative person. There is the head of the marketing here with us today, Jeroen Beterans from Netherlands, and it's also the proof that we are a super international company. Yeah.
Hi.
Perfect. Let's go. Human resources department. They are hiring a lot of talents here. Moving from now, here we have IT department. I cannot say that, but you know that we are the best. We are moving forward. Okay, here we are in our canteen. Really nice room to chill, eat, whatever. Oh, hey, Bishop. How are you?
Zbigniew Ruba.
Introduce yourself to our new colleague.
Hi, I'm Zbigniew Ruba. I'm commercial director of NRF Group. Nice to see you here.
Hi, nice to meet you.
If you have some needs, for sure, he can help you to deal with that. Okay, follow me. The chilling place.
Wow, they have a football table?
You are the player?
Of course. Ah, darn.
Sorry, I won. Okay, let's explore a bit about the technical department, equipment, and not only. Starting from the soundproof room.
Soundproof room.
Soundproof, not bulletproof, maybe, but no. Soundproof. Some fan clutches we already tested.
Wow, cool.
On this machine we are testing the fan clutches, and they are making so much noises that you need to put it here and leave the room. The warranty area. Let's take a look.
Warranty room.
Hello there.
Hello.
Here in this area we are checking the goods which are in the warranty. If everything is fine, then fine. If not, then we are sending information about what is going on. Oh, it's more crowded. Hey guys,
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
how are you doing here?
checking the quality of oil and samples. Here we have a radiator for Tesla 3.
Oh, I'm curious. I heard this is the biggest from NRF.
Warehouse NRF Gdańsk.
This warehouse is our distribution center. What does it mean? We are supplying our customers from here and also our other warehouses in the Europe. Okay, nothing is driving, just take a look on this corridor.
Wow, what a cool
And then
sight.
that side. From that wall till that wall, we have 300 meters.
That's really big.
Impressive, right? Hey, that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you for being here, and I'm looking forward to have you here more often.
Thank you for the awesome tour. Bye.